Raleigh, North Carolina, so come along and join us. Hi everyone.
Hi there.
Fern and Frank with JavaWalkerWorld. We're back. It's a new week and we are here in Raleigh, North Carolina. Why? It was easy because we belong to Trusted Housesitters and these are some of the benefits. Come down, free accommodations, and do all the sightseeing you want. So stay with us and see what Raleigh, North Carolina, the capital of North Carolina, has to offer.
Come with us.
But first, let's say hello to our hosts.
Are you happy? Yes, sir. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, let's get exploring downtown Raleigh. Well, here we are in North Carolina. We've been given the honor of house and pet sitting through Trusted Housesitters, which provides us with big savings for travel. We are so very excited to visit what is known as the Research Triangle, just simply the Triangle, consisting of Raleigh, Durham, and Chapel Hill. This region is rich in history, culture, and higher education.
Well, that was a must-see.
Oh my Lord, was that ever great?
And it's free to get in, so
Oh yeah, that's
must
even
take
better.
advantage. We have, of course, the the senior puppies to take care of. So we have to get back somewhat soon.
But
we could spend probably a good 6 hours in there. There's so much to see,
so much history, so much
really,
artifacts.
This region has so much history, and they have done such an awesome job putting it all together.
Highly recommended. If you're ever down in Raleigh, highly recommended.
here we are at the Raleigh Times at their rooftop deck, trying to order the garden salad, the chili, what is it, a filet cheese steak sandwich?
Yeah, filet cheese steak.
And fries, having a nice beer with it. I am having chicken wings and a kale and lettuce Caesars.
Historic district and social.
So where are we at?
We're here at, so that's a melter.
Yeah.
Everyone, here we are at Sarah P. Duke Gardens. On this bridge, so we'll go straight this way down to the back.
And YouTube Shorts, we're there.
Come along.
Thank you for joining us this week in Raleigh, North Carolina. Join us next week as we discover Durham, North Carolina, and all that it has to offer, including the beautiful Duke Gardens. And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like, share, and subscribe. It really helps us out. Thank you.